Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to buy storage on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is tap on the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. Then select iCloud from the list. Scroll down, then tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. If you already have a subscription, tap on Manage Account Storage and then Change Storage Plan. Select your preferred storage plan. We have 50 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB, 6 TB or 12 TB and tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Now, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. Verify using Face ID or enter your Apple ID password to complete the upgrade. If iCloud doesn't fit your needs, consider other options like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox for cloud storage. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.